How's it going, everybody? My name is Quincy Wade, and I am the founder of QW and Associates, and I am your information and communication technology agent. I'm here at QW Associates. We actually work with over 200 different telecom and technology providers. But today we're going to talk about one of our residential services, and that is Vivint. Okay, that's going to be Vivint. So you go to the residential side by going to www.myfreewireless.com. And today I'm here to speak with you guys about a promo where you can buy a camera and get a doorbell camera. Okay. You buy a camera and get a doorbell camera. There's not much time left to buy a Vivint camera and get a doorbell camera Pro for free. You heard me correctly, for free, plus 3 months of free monitoring with qualifying system purchase. You get the smartest doorbell camera on the market for free. And this offer is going to end December 31st, 2022. All right. Hate to be for it to be short notice because today's December 27th. You want to make sure you use the code Christmas22. And I'll have that right here in the video. You'll see Christmas22. That is the code that you want to use at checkout in order to take advantage of this. I want to go ahead and give this disclaimer right quick. 2 camera minimum. Must purchase cameras from Vivint promo code using promo code Christmas22 from December 20th to December 31st. Must install by January 10th, 2023. Panel activations, previously canceled service that is reactivated, and Vivint Essentials do-it-yourself do not qualify for this promotion. All right, so keep that in mind. One promo code valid per customer account. Gift cards will arrive between 4 to 6 weeks after installation, and this promotion is offered exclusively by Vivint. So be sure to visit the website. Again, it's www.myfreewireless.com. And once you go to that side of the site, you want to look for security and automation. So you go to the security and automation section, and that'll take you over to where you can take a look at Vivint and take advantage of this promo code, again, to where you can buy a camera and get a doorbell camera. All right. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.